Hi everyone, Greg with the City of Tehachapi. I'm standing here at the intersection of Robinson and F, and as you can see, we've had active asphalt being laid down on F Street. Really exciting, all the way from Snyder back down to Curry. That'll be complete today. Robinson is complete from the boulevard to the school district. We've also completed Cherry Lane and Brentwood, and in the next day or two, we're going to be over at Arabian Estates. We really appreciate all the support, and by the end of this week, we should have new maintained asphalt all around town, so it's an exciting time for the City of Tehachapi. Looking forward to next year's asphalt projects already. Thank you very much.